Okay, we're going to do some VIN sticker training, vehicle identification number training. I will show you the sticker in a second, but I wanted to show you the trailer that the sticker is on. So this is a dump trailer. It's a Stryker dump trailer. Okay, 2-foot sidewalls. These are 7K axles. This is an 8-inch I-beam frame, an adjustable coupler, 2 and 5/16. All these things. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then I'm gonna create training for you to learn that. I'm gonna point out just a couple other. Well, no, I'll do that in different videos. But so this is the trailer, so that you have this picture when we look at the sticker. All right. Next slide is the sticker. Okay. Some important things, and I'll just kind of walk through it as we go here. Manufacturer is important because these things have different stickers and labels on them. So this trailer says Stryker. Okay, they build this for us. Stryker's is essentially the model of the trailer, but Ascend Industries is the manufacturer. This is made in Mexico. It says it right here, but you can also tell with a VIN, vehicle identification number, if it starts with a 3, it's made in Mexico. It's the same for automobiles as well. A lot of big Suburban plant. If you look at a lot of the Suburbans have 3s on them. They were made in Mexico. All right, date of manufacturing 5/2024, which makes it a 2024 model. I believe the law is anything manufactured after July 1st of a year is called the next model year. So if this trailer was made again in July, it would be a 2025 model, which you wouldn't see on here. That would be on the MSO. Different video. GVWR, okay, I'm going to briefly go over it. I'm going to have a separate video for GVWR, but it's always good to recap. GVWR is 14,000 pounds. That's the gross vehicle weight rating. There's going to be a video for that lays it out, but basically it's the weight of the trailer plus the weight of the cargo combined. So I'll talk more about that in a second. GAWR, gross axle weight rating. So each axle is rated to 7,000 pounds. Now, there are 2 of them, 2 7,000-pound axles. This is 14,000 pound total. Doesn't always add up like that. I'll go into that later. Sometimes the weight can distribute onto the bumper or on the truck or on the tow vehicle, so that this could actually be higher, or it could be derated, so it could be lower. We'll do a little more of that in another video. 7,000 pound each axle. That just double confirms what axles are on there. It's very important for us to be accurate when we're displaying this on the site and letting the customer know what axles are on these trailers. Okay, it talks about the tires. I'll probably do a video for tires, but 235 is the width in centimeters. 80 is the 80 is the height from the top of the rim to the top of the tire, but it's not in centimeters. It's a percentage. It's 80% of the width is the height, and then R16 is the rim size, but R stands for rim size. Yeah, so 16-inch rims. Okay, there you go. 16 by 6 over here. That means it's a 16-inch rim with 6 holes in it. So it fits on a 6-lug axle. This is the recommended PSI, which is the air pressure for your tires. Okay, and then this is their model number. We don't use their model number, but it's on the MSO. So if trailers get financed, a lot of times the model number is on the finance information, and that's where it comes from. You'll find it on the MSO's manufacturer certificate of origin. I'll show you one next video. This is a way you can reverse and find the weight of the trailer. All right, so here it says the weight of the cargo should never exceed 9,500 pounds. Well, if we know that we have 2 pieces of information, we can find out the third, right? We know the gross vehicle weight is 14,000, and that's the total of the cargo and the weight of the trailer, and we know the cargo cannot exceed 9,500. Then I don't think my calculator would show up on the screen here. I'm going to try it, but it probably won't show up. And I know this number, but some of you will use your calculator, and that's fine. That means the trailer weighs 4,500 pounds. Okay, and that should probably also show up on the MSO. Okay, repeat of information here. So there you go. That's an MSO sticker.